That was super duper scary.
So in this video, I make the Ben's Works prank spider box. I'm not going to show you how to make it because Ben did such a good job on his channel. That's the video right there, how to make a spider scare box. His instructions are incredibly easy to follow. So I would just recommend going straight to him. So I wanted to see if I could make it. I didn't want to try and make the world's best box, but as you can see, it worked. It's a pretty straightforward design. As always, I use scraps, which is mine looked so rough. But you pull open the door, and out pops Incy Wincy Spider, which is exactly what I wanted. I thought I could have a bit of fun with this, and then try and refine it and make it a little bit nicer. But as you can see, straightforward box with a lid. You've got old mate Spidey inside. As soon as you pull it open, out he pops. Now I apologise about this very terrible acting. Hey Isabel, open this. Hey Millie, open this. So what did you think of that, kids?
It was so scary.
It was the scariest
if
thing.
If you make one, then you'll get nightmares.
And
it's
so
scary.
Spiky.
You'll be frightened.
And you'll get
so
really
spiky.
and Mum threw it at you.